Shivani is joining us from the Hindon Air Base, where there's a big question mark, Shivani, on what did that flight, in fact, that had brought the former Prime Minister to the Hindon Air Base here. The flight has left. Where is it headed is the big question mark. The government says they are monitoring the movement, but there is, in fact, a great deal of uncertainty whether the former Prime Minister is going to be moving to London or not. What is it that you're picking up?
See, Sneha, what we are given to understand right now is that the C-130J of the Bangladesh Air Force that was here, that ferried Sheikh Hasina to Hindon Air Base, has left. It has taken off to a destination, unknown destination. It might be Panagarh, as some sources were indicating earlier. It is another base of the Indian Air Force in West Bengal, or it can fly back to Dhaka if it is not ferrying Sheikh Hasina to her further destination. That could be UK or any other country where she is seeking asylum and she gets the asylum. But as of now, what we know through our sources is that Sheikh Hasina still remains inside Hindon Air Base. It's the second day of her stay in India. India has already clarified that it cannot give her a long halt out here because of the diplomatic reasons, of course. And the Prime Minister has been reviewing the situation not only in Bangladesh on the borders, but here also regarding the movement of Sheikh Hasina, how she was given a safe escape from Bangladesh to India, though she was in the aircrafts of Bangladesh Air Force, but the whole support system was working here in India for her to reach here safely. She landed here yesterday evening. She continues to be here, and her further movement is awaited. Whether she'll be taking the same flight she boarded from Bangladesh is another speculation. We cannot say, we cannot confirm right now how she'll be leaving India, when she'll be leaving India. But as of now, she's here. There is some VIP movement out here. We'll track these movements too. We see that this is a protocol courtesy meeting that could happen between Sheikh Hasina. Here you see these are the vehicles, and they seem to be VIP vehicles because since yesterday, Sneha, we see we cannot spot anybody in these vehicles, but this fairly indicates the kind of meetings that might happen inside where Sheikh Hasina continues to be in a safe house. Whether these vehicles have come to take her out, this also can be a probability. No confirmation. Everything is working on likelihood, and there can be n number of possibilities. You see the security vehicles of the Indian Air Force are also along with these two cars that we see on the gate right now. We cannot go inside. We don't have that permission. We are trying to get all the updates for our viewers, but yes, some movement is here at the Hindon Air Base. And what we are also told that yesterday, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had received Sheikh Hasina when she landed here at Hindon Air Base. There were a number of meetings with the high officials of the Indian Air Force, the CNC and the other officials too were here to welcome her as a courtesy protocol, though it was not a planned journey by Sheikh Hasina. But yes, India has helped her, supported her and kept her secure inside this Hindon Air Base. We do not know when she moves out. We do not know where she moves out to. But yes, we can see the movements out here. We'll try to track some more shots, though there are restrictions. But you see these vehicles. These are the vehicles with the emblem Ashoka. That means these are the vehicles of the dignitaries. Why have they come here? Because nobody can be seen inside these vehicles. Have they come to pick Sheikh Hasina and bring her out? Or somebody has come to meet her? So everything is possible right now. This is a fluid situation developing each minute, and we are keeping track of all these developments that are taking place at Hindon right now. We also know, Sneha, how Prime Minister was briefed about Sheikh Hasina's escape from Bangladesh to India, and thereafter what are the arrangements for her here at Hindon. That is also being briefed to the Prime Minister. We also saw how the ministers, the important ministries, be it Defence Minister, the NSA, the Home Minister, all of them met Prime Minister yesterday in a meeting. They briefed him about the situation in Bangladesh and also how Sheikh Hasina has been brought to India. She is here in a safe house guarded by the Garud commandos of the Indian Air Force. Not even the local police can go closer to that safe house. So that kind of security arrangements are there inside Hindon Air Base. But what's her plan? What's the next journey she's taking on, that we have to wait for. We are waiting for more updates, but certainly some movement here at Hindon. Sneha, back to you.
All right, Shivani, getting in those details from the Hindon Air Base. There is some movement is what Shivani is telling us, but a huge question mark on what next really for the beleaguered former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and whether or not she is going to be getting asylum in the UK is something that India is looking at very closely, is India is observing very closely, is what in fact External Affairs Minister has also told at the all-party meeting today.